Okay, and here is the truck. After I got the body, nothing too extravagant on the paint. Just wanted to do a little something simple. And it's got the new rims on it. The losi 10T 14mm wheels. And the Ford Raptor body. Why not? Ford Raptors are alright. I think they look neat. And got all that done. Went and put my headlights on it. So I've got the working headlights. And of course I had to keep the neons on it. It's got that one there. And the taillights. And that's about it for now. Until I can figure out what the heck else I feel like putting on it. But it doesn't look too bad. Let's see. Some homemade neons. If any of you guys want to know how to make them, they're actually pretty easy. Pretty easy to make. I got some tape on them, which is why you can see the tape. Got a 3-cell battery, and then the RC shop didn't have an adapter to move the battery tray up, so I can put bigger batteries in there. So tape is the next best thing. That's it. That's it in my little project of a slash. Now I'm gonna take it outside and break it. It's the next best thing you can do.